Welcome, Pinners. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, securing your Pinterest kingdom. I'm going to walk you through how to change your Pinterest password on your PC with the latest updates. It's a simple process, but it's an essential step to keep your account safe and sound. So, let's get started. First, fire up your web browser and head over to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're logged in. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look for your profile picture or the three-dot menu, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In that menu, you'll spot the Settings option. Click on Settings to access your account settings. This is where you can tweak all sorts of preferences, from your profile information to your notification settings. But today, we're here for one thing: password security. Now that you're in the Settings menu, find and click on Account Management. This section lets you control the nuts and bolts of your Pinterest account. Here, you'll see several options related to your account. Look for the Password section. Right next to Password, you will see the Change button. Click on it. This is your gateway to password security. You'll be prompted to enter your current password. This is a security measure to ensure that only you can change your password. Type it in carefully. Then, enter your desired new password in the New Password field. Make sure it's strong, unique, and something you can remember. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols is always a good idea. After entering it, you'll need to confirm your new password by typing it again in the Confirm New Password field. This ensures that you haven't made any typos and that your new password is exactly what you want it to be. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, click the Save button. Your new password is now active. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Pinterest password on your PC. Remember, it's a good idea to update your password periodically to keep your account secure. A strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. If you ever forget your password, don't worry. Pinterest has a Forgot Your Password link on the login page. Just click on that. Enter your email address, and Pinterest will send you a link to reset your password. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Stay safe, stay secure, and happy pinning.